friends, my name is Adevit. I am studying in 2nd standard. My school name is MGM Universal School. Today I am presenting types of animals. There are 3 types of animals. First one is herbivorous, second one is carnivorous, third one is omnivorous. Let's go to the herbivorous. Herbi means plant, vorous means to eat. Herbivorous means plant eating animals. Examples: elephant, sheep, rabbit, giraffe, etc. Let's go to the herbivorous teeth. They have flat teeth. It works at a grinder. It chew the plants and grass. Let's come to the carnivorous. Carni means meat. Vorous means to eat. Carnivorous means meat eating animals. Example: